Ninth class students, uh, ninth class social. Today I are discussing about some independent movements in the world. Previous class, American War of Independence. American War of Independent topic is completed. Today, 13th chapter. The topic name is French Revolution. French Revolution. In 1789, the important revolution in the world. Why? The revolution introduced basic principles of democracy. What is the important or basic principles of democracy? The democracy principles, basic principles, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The three principles adopted French Revolution. French Revolution means the revolution occurred in France. The France is a French country. French means it is a language. French means France. France belongs to Europe continent country. The important revolution in the world. The revolution main reasons. The revolution basic features. What are the important basic reasons of French Revolution? French Revolution occurred in 1789, July 14. Where does start French Revolution in France? So many factors, so many causes are in France. The causes, what are the important causes or reasons of French Revolution? First, the Louis Emperors. Louis means it is a dynasty name, just like Stuart dynasty in England. Previous class, Stuart dynasty. Topic 2, Stuart dynasty. Kings importance discussed, Suppose example our India, Mughal Empire, Mauryan empires, Gupta dynasty, some dynasties names, Just like the important dynasty, the main reason, the Louis Emperor's administration. Louis Emperor's principles. Louis Emperor's policies. The king's policies is completely against the people. The Louis kings is completely dictators. I mean dictator rule. Dictator means there is a unquestioned thing. The powers is more. Anybody, even any parties, any persons, not question kings. The very highest powers having kings. Louis kings, important kings names: Louis 14, Louis 15, Louis 16. The Louis 14, Louis Louis 14. Louis 14, emperor name France of France. 14 administration is completely against the people. Louis emperor follow the Louis 14th adopt the one of the principle. I am the state. I am the state. I mean state and government is different. The king saying, I am the state. There is no government and state divide. Different. I mean autonomous powers, I mean autocratic powers, unquestioned powers, I mean Louis emperors. Louis period, there are number of agitations occur in France. Which agitations? Peasants agitations. The peasants against the feudal lords, I mean Zemindars. Feudalism is very important factor in France. Main cause, French Revolution main cause, Louis administration and feudalist ideas, feudalist principles. Number of majority lands is completely controlled by feudalists. Example, 10% feudalist death, 90% land is complete controlled by maintained by the feudalists. The 90% people having only 10% lands. Number of people killed by the feudalists, mainly small farmers, peasants, tenants. This type of people very suffering from feudalists. People, different type of harassments by the feudalists. Valuable lands, valuable resources, valuable mines also completely covered feudalists. The Louis emperors also supported the feudalists. the powers is completely concentrated is people. Number of people, I mean majority people, common people suffering from the king rule, Louis Emperors. Louis Emperor's administration, very cruel administration. Number of people die in Louis King's period. Number of wars also conducted by the Louis Kings. French economy, French treasury is completely empty. Deficit. Why? There are number of wars conducted by the emperors, Louis emperors. Suppose one of the example, some revolutions there. American War of Revolution, American War of Independence. The French people is completely supported of the Americans. There are number of wars maintained by during the Louis period. The time the king economically is completely crisis, economical depression, economical crisis occurred in France. Economical depression means the inflation is main influence in France. Inflation means the continuous rise of prices is called inflation. During the depression, there is no purchasing capacity in majority people in France. France economy is completely downfall, completely collapsed. Treasure is completely empty. That time, France divide 3 state generals. First estate, second estate, third estate. There are 3 estates in France. First estate, second estate, third estate. There are 3 types of estates there. First estate, I know clergyman's. First estate belongs to which group of people? I mean, first estate, clergyman's. Clergyman's mean the Roman Catholics persons, church members. The people is the highest position in society. The clergyman's is the most important persons. I mean, a highly influenced person, highly responsible person in society. The people, there is no payment of taxes by the government. No pay the tax. The people enjoy the special privileges, enjoy the luxury life. French society, the clergymen enjoy the rights and enjoy the life. Have privileged rights, some special privileges. Some special privileges also have, clergymen. Second estate. Second estate means nobles, kings, emperors. I mean rulers and second estate. French society, the second position. The people position is second. All estate belongs to the common people. The French society, majority people, which type of estate? Third estate people. 90% people of third estate. Third estate generally is the house. Louis King's period, Louis Emperor's period, the emperors not call or do not conference the estate general, third estate general. Any new tax introduced or any was during the Louis period, any type of decision, the approval by the third estate is compulsory. The Louis period, nearly 175 years, there is no call for the estate general by the Louis emperors. The third estate means the majority people, the common people house. It is the common people house, third estate. Here are French Revolution. French means language, it is the language. Belongs to France country. The revolution, biggest or great or important revolution, French Revolution in the world. Why? Democratic basic principles inaugurated or introduced, adopted French Revolution. The great philosophers, the great thinkers, the great intellectuals in France. Suppose one of the example, great philosopher J.J. Rousseau. J.J. Rousseau is one of the important philosopher of France. J.J. Rousseau wrote the important book named Social Contract. Social Contract book. The book is so many people. The Rousseau ideology, philosophy, the Rousseau books is completely influenced the French people or France. The French people, the French people against the government, against the king rule, against the federalism, against the old regime. The people start the revolution. Suffering so many reasons. Here, the French Revolution, 9th class, French Revolution, French Revolution, 9th class students, is the today homework game there. Take homework. What is the important reasons of the French Revolution? French Revolution. Today, 9th class students, take homework, read and write. What is the important reasons of the French Revolution? French Revolution యొక్క ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి కారణాలు ఏంటో మీరు read and write రాసి చూపించాలి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో కంటిన్యూషన్ చేద్దాం.